I have created a demo classroom to demonstrate how the assignment can be submitted by the student. So this is basically the teacher's view of the demo classroom that I have created. It has 4 tabs. The stream tab, which is basically the notification area, which tells about the new assignment, quiz or material that is uploaded by the teacher in the classroom. The classwork tab is basically the area where you organize all your information, whether they are videos, audios, documents, assignments, quizzes, etc. The people tab tells you about the teachers associated with the classroom and the students. The grades tab tells you about the grade that is assigned to each student on the assignment or the quiz that is assigned to the student. So for demonstration purpose, I have created one assignment. Now let us see how this classroom appears to a student. I have now logged into the student account and opened the mailbox. You can see here that there is a mail informing the student that a new assignment has been posted in the classroom. The student can click on this email and view the assignment, or the second way of doing it is to click on the Google app button and go to the Google Classroom. So when I click on the classroom button here, I can view all the classrooms in which the student has enrolled. Since I have created demo classroom for the purpose of demonstrating how the assignment is submitted, I will click on this particular classroom and you can see that the student also has a notification in the stream tab saying that a new assignment has been posted. So you can click on this notification. This interface shows how an assignment appears to the student. The student can view the name of the assignment, the points allotted to the assignment, the general description typed by the teacher, and here is the assignment in the form of the Google Doc. When you click on the Google Doc, you can see what is to be done. So it's basically to write an essay on e-learning, pros and cons. Now I shall tell you how to submit the assignment. There are different ways of submitting an assignment, but I'll be covering only one way, which is through an attachment. So in order to create an assignment, you can click on this button, add or create, and this can be done for Google Sheets also and other types of documents. So when you click on the add and create button, it gives you an option of docs, slides, sheets, etc. So I wish to type my assignment in the form of a doc. So I click on doc. When I do so, it creates a Google Doc with the name of the student. So you need to click on this document and attempt your assignment. I am typing some random text over here. Once I have finished attempting the assignment, I can click on the turn in button. But before you do so, please be sure that you have thoroughly checked your assignment, because once the turn in button is pressed, you will not be able to edit the assignment. So when you click on the turn in button, it is asking in confirmation whether you wish to turn in your work. One attachment will be submitted for assignment. You can confirm by clicking on the turn in option. So once you have done it, you can see that it is showing your work has been turned in, which means that your work has been passed on to the instructor. I hope this demonstration helps you to submit your assignment through Google Classroom till it is covered in detail in the upcoming weeks. Thank you.